Hello friends, this is Tajamul Adil. I'm pleased to announce that DREO has introduced a new category of humidifiers. Today I'm talking about HM700 Series Smart Humidifier. The 6 liters humidifier is perfect solution for winter dryness. This single room humidifier is easy to use, work with Alexa, allows you to add essential oil, packs plenty of other features and has just one downside: it doesn't offer a warm mist option. DREO humidifier's ability to intelligently adapt to external conditions ensures consistent ambient humidity level. You can effortlessly control and customize this through the user-friendly mobile app. Download the DREO Mobile App found in the App Store and Google Play Store. Connecting the app with your DREO Smart Humidifier is quite easy. You can fully control the Smart Humidifier from the mobile app very smoothly. The DREO app offers real-time humidity readings, a 30-day humidity level history, and the ability to receive and personalize smart cleaning reminders. HM713 provides you multiple options to tailor humidity to your lifestyle. Keeping your indoor air fresh and healthy has never been more convenient. Super fast humidification at 500 ml per hour with the DREO humidifier HM713S, featuring quicker warm mist production reaching 86°F in just 5 minutes to provide immediate relief from dryness. Choose from 3 mist levels in manual mode. Set your preferred target humidity ranging from 30% to 90% in auto mode, or option for sleep mode, which not only adjusts humidity but also dims lights and reduces noise for a tranquil sleep environment. You can set up to 10 different humidifying schedules based on your daily routines, with the schedule remaining function with or without an internet connection. It's time to unbox a smart humidifier and see what's inside the box. It has a removable water tank and wide opening that makes it easy to clean the inside of the humidifier. Also, once the humidifier is run out of water, this kind of notification comes in the DREO mobile app. Cleaning the smart humidifier is quite easy, and I have already used 100 hours of humidifier, so I get a notification to clean it. After using the 100 hours of this humidifier, you can see the condition, and let me show you the deassembling process. Cleaning the smart humidifier is easy, and let me show you the process how I clean it so deeply. I am using tissue paper for cleaning the cover of the smart humidifier and draining the water properly. Now I'm using tissue paper and a cleaning brush which comes under the box, cleaning it properly and follow the steps and process. As you see, we already cleaned the smart humidifier, and now time to show you how I cleaned the water tank. I was surprised once I cleaned the base of the water tank and saw how much dust or mud it got on the base. Isn't it amazing? And see how it's good for us. You can also use essential oil with DREO HM700 humidifier, and I love this feature. The aroma pad has two sides, so you can easily add two different essential oils to it. Leave the side open on the aroma pad that you want to use. Smell the scent off. Don't forget, after cleaning the smart humidifier, open the DREO Mobile App, select the cleaning section and reset the duration so it runs smoothly. By the way, the default setting is 100 hours. It's a perfect solution for anyone who wants to create a comfortable and healthy living environment at home. Its buying price is $89.99 and you can find the links down below in the video description. As I already mentioned, Amazon and DREO website links, and you can find 16% off from the DREO website link. If you are interested in tower fan, then click on this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.